There was a boy in India who was invited to join this program, and he decided to give it a try. So he came to meet with all of the youth who had come, and I was there. I was able to watch this happen. And when he first arrived, he was very shy. He was unwilling to add more to a conversation than maybe a yes or a no. And as he continued to interact with his peers, with other people around him, he was able to overcome some of that fear. He'd grown up in a small community. He hadn't had access to other deaf people. He hadn't had access to much of an education. But through the peer-to-peer interaction, he started to become more confident in himself. He was brave enough to step out and share his ideas, and he started to become a leader. It was really surprising. Near the end of our time together, there was a student who knew how to dance. He had learned a very specific break dance. And the Indian boy, who had started out so shy, by the end of our program, he had learned this dance and performed it with just no fear. And it was amazing to see such a total transformation. And now that same boy is working in his community, teaching other deaf people about computers. He's taken a huge step, and he's feeding back into the people around him. There are many positives to the peer-to-peer program, but there are also some negatives. One of the main challenges we face is that here in America, men and women are equal. But when our students go to other countries, that is not always the case, and it can be very difficult for Americans to relate to this aspect of different communities.